Welcome once again. Throughout this week, as I mentioned yesterday, I will be offering some reflections on the topic, where do we go from here? Knowing that the year 2020 has been a year marked by a pandemic, by divisiveness in our society, and by an election that was deeply contentious. What can we as Catholic Christians do to help make our society a little bit better? So today I want to offer reflection on the value of listening. I don't know how many times throughout my life, as I've been engaged in conversation with others, that rather than truly listen to what the other is saying, I find myself formulating my response. And when I do that, I'm not truly listening to what the other is trying to say to me. The experts say that to truly listen means to actively listen to the other, to not be thinking in our head about what I'm going to say in response, but to listen to the words of the other. But more than that, to listen for the feelings that go behind those words, to listen to the body language of the other, to see in their expressions, their anger or their frustration or their sadness, to truly listen to everything that's being communicated by the other. It's only in that way that we can truly come to understand what other people are trying to communicate to us. And listening, I would say, also involves listening to ourselves, listening to the voices within, not just to our ideas, but to our own feelings, our own frustrations and hurts and anxieties. And also, it's important to listen to the voice of our best self, to listen to that voice within us, which is imploring us to make a difference, to make things better, not just to perpetuate divisiveness and hurt. And so I offer these reflections on listening. I hope you have found them to be helpful. And once again, I hope you have a safe, healthy, and happy day.